Hi guys, welcome to FitNCalm. I'm Khushpinder and a warm welcome to the 30 days new beginnings yoga journey. Give yourself a pat on the back for making it here. Today is the orientation day and we are just gonna be talking about what you'll be needing, what is gonna be there, what you can expect out of this practice. So who is this practice for? First of all, this practice is for anyone and everyone, even if you're a beginner, even if you are someone who has already been practicing yoga for a while, this practice is good for you as well. So what are we going to do in this practice is we are going to do a lot of work on strengthening. We're going to be doing work on relaxation, on flexibility as well, detoxification, working on your core, legs, upper body, arms, all that. So it's going to be a very holistic practice where we will not just be focusing on the body but on the mind as well. So yoga is not just about how you move the body or getting the body into some postures. It's about the awareness that you do it with. So we'll be doing that along with a little bit of pranayamas, maybe a little bit of meditation as well. And what are you going to be needing for this practice is a yoga mat would be ideal. And if it's difficult for you to sit like this on the floor, because we'll be doing quite a lot of that, you can keep a few blocks handy. You can keep a pillow or a couple of folded blankets handy, and you can keep them underneath to lift yourself up and just make yourself comfortable. So when do you do the practice? The best time to do would be mornings, because throughout the day then sometimes other things tend to get in our way and we kind of end up not doing the practice. So it would be ideal if you can make some time in the morning, but even if you're not able to make time in the morning, what's important is that you do it. The when part is still okay. If you want to do it in the morning, you can do it then. Whenever you get the time, basically you can do it. But few things you have to keep in mind when you do that are you have to be relatively on an empty stomach. If you've had a full meal, wait about 1.5 to 2 hours at least after that. And if you've had something light like fruits, you can do the practice after about 30 minutes or so. And one more thing that I wanted to tell you before we start was, after every practice, take a little time to rest. You can rest lying down. We've also made a special yoga nidra practice for you, which we will be uploading today as well. You can do that today. In fact, just chill out and relax today. It's a short practice, so you can follow the asana video with the yoga nidra practice. That will make sure that you get the complete benefits of the practice. One thing that will really help you is if you do it in a group or with a buddy, because that gives you the support structure and the push to go ahead. And so what is most important is that you come to the practice, you come to the mat with an open mind. And if in case you miss some days in between, do not feel disheartened, do not blame yourself if life comes in the way. So just treat it as an opportunity to start again. We really hope you enjoy this journey. May you stay fit and calm. If you haven't done that yet, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and there's a small bell icon on the channel, so do click that. You'll be notified whenever new videos are out. And you can also connect with us on social media. We would really love to hear your progress, and do leave your comments every day. We would really love to see if you're doing the practice and how you are liking it. And thank you very much for giving us this space and this opportunity to share this beautiful, beautiful knowledge with you guys.